Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about indeterminate forms while computing the limits. Okay, indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. So, what are the first of all we should know what are the indeterminate forms. So, indeterminate forms means while computing the limits, computing the limits of the functions, at some point we will get these forms: 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, or infinity minus infinity, or 1 power infinity, or 0 power 0, or infinity power 0. So while computing the limits, sometimes this type of situations may occur. 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form is not defined. So 0 by 0 form is called indeterminate form. Infinity by infinity also indeterminate form. So these are all called indeterminate form. These are called indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. So at that time we cannot say the limit of the function. So to reduce this problem, we have to use some methods. One method is there, that is called L'Hospital rule. So to reduce this problem, when indeterminate forms are getting, at that time while computing the limits, you may get this type of indeterminate form. To reduce this problem, we will use L'Hospital rule. So let us know what is the L'Hospital rule here. L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. So what is the L'Hospital rule? Is for the let f, I am taking two functions, let f of x and g of x be two differentiable functions. Differentiable function means differentiation is possible for f of x and g of x. That means differentiation is exists at every point of g of x. Be two differentiable functions such that g dash of x, g of x is not equal to 0. G of x should not equal 0. So here suppose I am getting limit at x equal to a, f of x by g of x. Suppose I am having the function in the form of f of x by g of x, where denominator is not equal to 0. I am finding the limit of this function at x equal to a. So at that situation, suppose if you are getting 0 by 0 form, that time limit is not exist. To reduce this problem, we have to use L'Hospital rule. What is the use of L'Hospital rule? So if you are getting this form, then again you take the same limit, extends to a, differentiate the numerator separately and differentiate the denominator separately. Again you can substitute the value. If you get the value, if you get any constant value, that will be the you can consider that as a limit of this function. Understand what I am saying? So if you have the function in the form, fraction form, and while substituting x equal to a in the numerator, suppose you are getting 0. Substituting a in the denominator, you are getting 0. That means you are getting indeterminate form. If you are getting indeterminate form, you have to use L'Hospital rule. How to use? Separately you have to differentiate the numerator, separately differentiate the denominator, and then after again you substitute a value, you may get constant value here. You may get some limit value. You can consider that as a limit of the function. Suppose if you are not getting constant value or any exist value, suppose you are getting again 0 by 0 form. Suppose you are getting again 0 by 0 form. Again you have to take limit extends to a, differentiate this first derivative again. So you will get double dash of x and g double dash of x equal to, again you may get limit here also. Suppose you are getting limit at second derivative, again you can consider that as a limit of the function. After second derivative also, suppose you are getting again indeterminate form, then continue the procedure. Then continue the procedure. Continue the procedure until limit exists. So continue the differentiation. Suppose second derivative also you are getting indeterminate form. Then again you have to find third derivative. Again substitute x equal to a. In third derivative you may get limit value. Then stop the procedure. So we have to continue this procedure until limit exists of the given function. So this is the use of L'Hospital rule. Suppose if you are getting limit extends to f of x by g of x, value as infinity by infinity. Sometimes you may get like this also. In this situation also, you may get by substituting a in numerator infinity, in denominator infinity. At that time you have to continue the procedure like this. Again by using the L'Hospital rule, you have to differentiate numerator separately, denominator separately. Suppose if you are getting the existed limit, then you can stop the procedure. Suppose in second derivative also, if you are getting infinity by infinity, again continue the procedure. Find the second derivative of the function in numerator, find the second derivative of the function in denominator, again substitute the value. If you are getting again infinity by infinity, continue the procedure. Until limit exists. Okay, this is the use of L'Hospital rule. Now let us do some problems, example problems on L'Hospital rule. So first example 1. Evaluate limit extends to 1 x square minus 3x plus 2 by x square minus 4x plus 3. Now I am going to find the limit of this function. This is in the form of f of x by g of x. So substitute the value here. Suppose I am substituting the value, I am going to check the limit value. First of all, you directly substitute the value. If you are getting the limit value, then that is the answer. If you are getting indeterminate form, then apply the L'Hospital. Suppose I am substituting 1 minus 3 plus 2. So numerator 0, 1 plus 3, 4, minus 4, 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form, which is indeterminate form. So if you are getting indeterminate form, then by apply the L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, limit extends to 1. What is L'Hospital rule? Differentiate numerator separately, denominator separately. Don't use u by v formula. Okay. Differentiating the numerator, you will get 2x minus 3. Denominator derivative 2x minus 4. So after differentiating numerator separately, denominator separately, again substitute the value. Suppose I am substituting 1 here, 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 4 minus 2. So limit exists here. By substituting 1, 2 1 minus 3, 2 into 1 minus 4, here minus 1 by minus 2. So this is 1 by 2. So therefore the limit of this function is 1 by 2. Suppose if you are getting in second derivative also 0 by 0 form, then find third derivative, second derivative. In first derivative, sometimes you may get 0 by 0 form. At that time you continue the derivative until you get the constant value. So what we can write, therefore limit of this function value is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is first problem, first example problem. Second example, example 2. Example 2. Compute the limit. Limit extends to a x power n minus a power n by x minus a. Okay. Right. Now solution. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. Substitute a in place of x, you will get 0 by 0. A power n minus a power n 0, a minus a 0, 0 by 0 form. When you are getting 0 by 0 form, then by L'Hospital rule. Apply the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, differentiate the numerator separately, x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. A power n derivative is 0 by numerator derivative, denominator derivative 1. Now substitute a, you are not getting 0 by 0 form, so the answer is n into a power n minus 1 after substituting in place of x a. So we can conclude that limit of this function value is, therefore limit of this function value is n into a power n minus 1. N into a power n minus 1 is the value of limit value of this given function. Now example 3. Example 3. Evaluate a limit x tends to 0 sin mx by x, sin mx by x. Right. Solution. Given limit x tends to 0 sin, if you given function sin mx by x, if you put x equal 0, here sin 0 0, 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form, again by L'Hospital rule, by L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0 sin derivative cos mx, again mx derivative m by x derivative 1. Now substitute 0, cos 0 1, 1 into m, 1 into m. So we got the function value limit, function limit value is m. So what is the value here? M. Therefore its value is m. Okay, this is third example. Now go to fourth example. Example 4. Limit, fourth example, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x square, sin x by x square. Okay, right. Here limit given function, solution given function, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x square. This is 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form. Suppose I am using by L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, first derivative sin derivative is cos x by 2x. By substituting 0, 1 by 0. Here you are getting 1 by 0, not indeterminate form. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay, 1 by 0 is infinity. So what we are doing here, 1 by 0 is infinity means, so I am going to check is this limit exist or not. Infinity means some value, it may be some value, it is not indeterminate form. So at that time you are not getting indeterminate form and you are getting infinity means you have to check left hand limit, right hand limit. Sometimes the curve may be tends to plus infinity and at left hand side of 0, at right hand side 0 it may be tends to, at left hand side we are finding the limit at 0, no? At left hand limit it may be converging to minus infinity, at right hand side of 0 it may be converges to plus infinity. At that time you cannot say limit exists, limit does not exist. So for that we have to check left hand limit and right hand limit for this problem. Okay, so I am checking left hand limit, limit x tends to 0 minus sin x by x square. sin x by x square, 0 by 0 form. So I am using L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, this is LHS, left hand limit. Use the L'Hospital rule, x tends to 0 minus cos x by 2x square. So 2x. Now, how to find left hand limit? Limit s tends to 0. In place of x tends to 0 minus, substitute s tends to 0. Cos 0 minus h by 2 into 0 minus h. 2 into 0 minus h. So by substituting h equals 0, cos 1 0, and here minus 0. Minus 1 by 0 is minus infinity. Is tending to minus infinity. I am finding RHL at 0. Limit x tends to 0 plus sin x by x square. Again by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0 plus cos x by 2x. By substituting 1 by 0, this is plus infinity. Therefore, LHL not equal to RHL. So limit does not exist. Therefore, limit does not exist. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x square does not exist. Why? Because left hand limit, right hand limit not exist. Does not exist. Okay, this problem is important. Okay. So when you are getting infinity, at that time you have to check left hand limit and right hand limit. If both are tending to infinity, then you can write limit is equal to infinity. Okay. But left hand limit is tending to negative infinity, right hand limit is tending to plus infinity. So limit does not exist for that function. Next example, example 5. If limit theta tends to 0, if limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos m theta, 1 minus cos m theta by 1 plus cos m theta is equal to 1. Then prove that m equal to plus or minus n. Here limit already given. So using this you have to prove m equal to plus or minus n. Solution given. I am using the given information. Limit theta tends to 0. 1 minus cos m theta by 1 plus cos m theta is equal to 1. By substitute theta equals 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0, but limit value is 1. So what I am doing here, if you substitute 0, cos 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, here 1 plus 1, 2, 0 by 2, we are getting 0, but here limit value is 1. So that's why I am using L'Hospital rule. Sorry, here minus. This is minus, not plus. Okay, sorry. This is plus, minus, not plus. By substituting 0, you are getting 0 by 0. So here this is 0 by 0 form. 0 by, so by L'Hospital rule, I am applying L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule at left hand side, applying the L'Hospital rule at left hand side, what we will get? Limit theta tends to 0, 1 derivative 0, cos derivative minus sin, so plus sin m theta into m, by here 1 derivative 0, cos derivative again minus sin this is n, sin n theta into n is equal to 1, right? So again by substituting 0, sin 0, 0, 0 by 0 form, again 0 by 0 form, again we are getting 0 by 0 by L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, we can write limit theta tends to 0, limit theta tends to 0, sin derivative cos, so m theta derivative m into m square cos m theta, by sin derivative cos n theta derivative n into n square cos n theta is equal to again 1. Now substitute 0, you will get m square by n square is equal to 1 by cos 0 and cos 0 1 in denominator also. So we got m square equal to n square, m square equal to n square, m equal to plus or minus n. So this is the statement we have proved it. Now next problem example 6th example. Evaluate limit x tends to 1 minus log 1 minus x by cot pi x. So we are finding left hand limit of the function. Solution: left hand limit at the value 1. So given limit x tends to 1 minus log 1 minus x by cot pi x. By substituting 1 here, log 0 not defined, log 0 is not defined, and cot pi value cos pi by sin pi, it is also not defined. So infinity by infinity form, cot pi is 0, log 0 also infinity. It will not meet x-axis at 0 if you draw the log curve. So it is infinity by infinity form, which is indeterminate form. So by L'Hospital rule again, by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 1 minus and differentiating the numerator, log derivative 1 by 1 minus x minus x derivative minus 1 by cot derivative cosecant square x minus cosecant square pi x minus cosecant square pi x, and pi x derivative is pi. Okay. So we got limit, I am simplifying this, x tends to 1 minus, here minus cancelled, 1 by cosecant pi, we can write sin square pi x in the numerator, and denominator is pi into 1 minus x. This is denominator. Okay, again by substituting 1, sin pi 0 by 0 form. In each and every step you have to substitute and check. Here I am substituting 1, cos sin pi 0, 1 minus 1 0, so 0 by 0 form. Again by L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, we can write limit x tends to 1 minus power derivative 2 sin pi x, sin derivative cos pi x derivative is pi, by here pi derivative 1, pi into x derivative minus pi. Okay, by substituting here 1 sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1, so this is totally 0, so this is equal to 0. So limit of the function is 0. Okay, limit of the function is 0. Now 7th example problem. Example 7. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by x minus 1 by e power x minus 1. So see here, by substituting 1 by 0, suppose here I will remember it. If you have limit x tends to some a, 1 by f of x minus 1 by g of x in this form. If you have in this form, in the limits, if you are getting in this form, so while finding the limit, you have to take LCM of these two functions. Then you will get like this, g of x minus f of x. Then after taking the LCM, you have to substitute, you will get 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Then after continue the procedure. Or you make, first you have to check by substituting it. But before substituting, if it is in the form of 1 by f of x, 1 by g of x, take the LCM, then after substitute it. By substituting, if you are getting limit value directly, that is the answer. If you are getting indeterminate form, then use the L'Hospital. So I am using this property. So before substituting 0 in place of x, I am taking the LCM. What is the LCM? X into e power x minus 1. Numerator e power x minus 1 minus x. Now I will substitute the 0. E power 0 is 1, 0, 1 minus 1 0, here 1 minus 1 0, this is 0 by 0 form. Now I am applying the L'Hospital by L'Hospital. By L'Hospital rule, limit extends to 0 plus e power x derivative e power x, 1 derivative 0, again x derivative minus 1 by here u into v method. I am derivating the x function 1 into I am leaving e power x minus 1 plus I am leaving x e power x derivative e power x, 1 derivative 0, uv method, in the denominator uv method. Okay. Now substitute the value, substitute 0, 1 minus 1 0, here 0, 1 minus 1 0, so 0 by 0 form again, 0 by 0 again by L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule, by L'Hospital rule, limit extends to 0 plus e power x derivative e power x by numerator e power x derivative e power x, 1 derivative 0, here u into v, x derivative 1, leave e power x, leave x e power x derivative. Now substitute 0, 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 0, this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the limit of the function. Okay. So in this way you can solve remaining problems which are given in the question. Okay. I will give as a homework some problems you solve in this manner. And one more thing. So these problems are based on only 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity. These are called standard indeterminate form. Remaining indeterminate forms also we are having. This form, if you are getting this form, you can apply directly L'Hospital rule and you will get the answer. These two forms are called standard indeterminate forms, and remaining indeterminate forms also we are having. So if you are getting that forms, how to solve? Let us know about that. Indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, and infinity power 0. When you are getting, while solving the limits, if you are getting these situations, at that time how to solve? Okay. Suppose you are getting limit, let I am taking extends to a, f of x for the 0 power 0 form, f of x whole power g of x, which is 0 power 0 form. If you are getting this as 0 power 0 form, then what you have to do, take this as take this function as some function, take this total function as some h of x, take this given function h of x, another function f of x whole power g of x, then apply log on both sides. Log h of x is equal to log f of x power g of x. So if you are getting 0 power 0 form, take this function, whole function as another new function, let h of x, take it as h of x, then apply log on both sides. By applying log on both sides, what you will get, log h of x is equal to, here power becomes, here you can write g of x into log f of x, log f of x, right? So after that, apply the limit on both sides. Limit extends to a at some point, log h of x, log h of x equal to log, limit extends to a g of x into log f of x. So you can write this as limit extends to a log f of x by 1 by g of x. We can write like this. So f of x at a is 0 already. Log 0 is infinity, 1 by 0 is infinity. So you will get infinity by infinity. Now you can apply the L'Hospital rule, then continue the procedure, right? So after by using L'Hospital rule, you will get some constant quantity. After applying at right hand side L'Hospital rule, you will get some constant quantity of this function. Suppose I am taking that as k after some steps. After some steps, you may get constant k. Then we need h of x limit, no? It extends to 0. So by sending log at that side, you will get limit extends to a. H of x is equal to log becomes exponential function e power k. You can write this. So what is h of x here? Limit extends to a, which is f of x whole power g of x is equal to e power. Okay. So same procedure you can apply for the 0 power 0 form, 1 power infinity form, and remaining forms also you can use same method. Okay. 1 power 1, 0 power infinity also. 0 power 0 and 1 power infinity also same methods you can apply. For example, I am taking one example. Evaluate limit extends to 1 x power 1 by x minus 1. See here, by substituting solution, let me solve the solution. Limit extends to 1 x power 1 by x minus 1. If you put 1 power 1 by 1 minus 0, 1 by 0, 1 by 0 infinity. So which is in the form of 1 power infinity form, which is another indeterminate form, which is not in standard form. So we have to convert it to standard indeterminate form to apply the L'Hospital. Here we cannot apply L'Hospital. Why? Because this is indeterminate form but not in standard form. If it is in standard form, then only we can apply the L'Hospital rule. Okay, right. So how to solve this? Take the function, given function h of x, x power 1 by x minus 1. Then after apply log on both sides. Log h of x is equal to log x power 1 by x minus 1. Then after you can write left hand side log h of x, right hand side you can write the power in front of log 1 by x minus 1 log x. So you can write like this: log h of x is equal to log x by x minus 1. Now take limit on both sides. Limit extends to 1. I am taking limit on both sides. Log h of x is equal to limit extends to 1 log x by x minus 1. Now by substituting log 1 0, 0, 0 by 0. So which is converted into standard indeterminate form. Now you can use L'Hospital by L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule. How to solve by L'Hospital rule here? Left hand side limit extends to 1 log h of x. Right hand side I am differentiating this. Limit extends to 1 log x derivative 1 by x minus 1 derivative 1. So by substituting 1 you will get 1 by 1, that is 1. So therefore log h of x is equal to limit extends to 1 log h of x is 1. By sending log at this side, limit extends to 1 h of x is equal to e power 1. Limit extends to 1. What is h of x here? X power 1 by x minus 1 is e. This is the procedure. So using these procedures you solve the exercise problems. Okay.